Tessa zit vandaag bij mij hier op het podium. En Tessa is vanavond mijn astronaut. Want zo heet het liedje. Astronaut. Applaus voor Tessa! If I know how to build a house, I'd build your house. And if I know how to cook, I would show you how. And if I would be an angel, I would never let you down. If I'd be born an astronaut, I'd travel through space, exploring the galaxy, that's how I'd spend my days. I'd build myself a rocket and I'd fly us to the moon. That's what I do. As an astronaut, I'm not sure if I will make it through this moment. I'm not sure if I will make it through this night. I'm lazy, brave, but I don't feel so small. And if you want to, you can have it all. But we're not astronauts. If I reach out my hand, would you take it? Oh, I am pretty sure that we can make it. But not too fast, 'cause then we'll break it all. And I'm so glad that you're around these days. You make me go wanna change my ways. Oh, we're put on earth to live our lives, but with you I would survive. As an astronaut, I'm not sure if I will make it through this moment. I'm not sure if I will make it through this night. I'm lazy, brave, but I can feel so strong. And if you want to, you can have it all. But we're not astronauts. See me higher from the ground, we are not astronauts. See me higher from the ground, we are not astronauts. Higher from the ground, we are not astronauts. See me higher from the ground, we are not astronauts. See me higher from the ground, we are not astronauts. See me higher from the ground, we are not astronauts. Higher from the ground, we are not astronauts. See me higher from the ground, we are not astronauts. If I reach out my hand, you should take it. 'Cause I am really sure that we can make